Well, ano ba ang difference ng rival at enemy? Yung enemy kasi, hindi mo siya gugustuhing makalaban at their full force. Most of the time, we just want to annihilate our enemy. However, our rival, that's different. Pinapakita ng rival natin yung totoong strength natin. Kasi hindi mo gugustuhing manalo sa isang rival mo habang hindi sila at their best form. Like for example, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam nung kalaban mo, may injury yung kalaban mo, or they're at a disadvantage. Ngayon, kung mananalo ka towards that kind of opponent, of course, diba? Alam na natin na kaya ka lang nanalo is it's because the rival is weakened or hindi sila at their best form. So, yung makukuha mong papuri, papremyo, it feels empty. Because alam mo, hindi yun yung best mo. Diba? Kaya, mas magandang ituring natin yung bawat isa as a rival para makuha na or makita natin kung ano ba talaga yung strongest form natin kahit na sa pag-aargumento pa yan. Kasi yung strongest form natin, yun yung sumasalamin sa kung ano ba talaga yung bigat, yung katotohanan doon sa lakas na meron tayo. At ayaw natin nung pabalat kayo na papremyo, papuri, because it feels empty if you cannot be at your best form, you cannot give your best. Mas gugustuhin ko pang matalo ako ng isang opponent na nasa peak ng kanyang performance kaysa manalo ako nang alam kong hindi ko deserve yung pagkapanalo ko dahil my rivals are at a disadvantage. My rivals will teach me the real status ng strength ko. And I'm not going to take it against them. I'm going to take it as a feedback para magkaroon ako ng room for improvement para pag nagharap ulit kami, I'm going to be at my best form. And yung best form versus best form, yung pinaka magandang pagharapin para magamit natin as a mirror kung ano na ba yung estado natin sa buhay. Huwag tayong matakot na harapin ang mga pinakamalalakas na hamon, challenges, rivals natin sa buhay because they are the one who's going to teach us. Gets?